Hey, what's up everybody? It's Lucas here. Wanted to give you a couple of ideas of how to really get sales going and traction on your store. And it might sound a little bit counterintuitive, but that's giving away products for free. So here are 3 ways that giving away products for free can help you drive more future sales, but also help the overall health of your store. So before we get into those, let's take a step back and say why we want to give away products for free, because it sounds very counterintuitive. The first one is it lets you get feedback on both your products, but your marketing as well. If you're having trouble giving away your product for free, it might show that nobody really wants it, and maybe you should pivot or change directions. By doing this and explaining this to your suppliers, it's going to help you get a much smaller initial order that you're doing as you're really testing it as part of that feedback. It also helps you gather reviews and customer information that can be used to create lookalike audiences and other data sets as well, and start to get referrals. So with that said, here are 3 ways to generate more sales by giving away products for free. Number 1 is start with a giveaway. Now, if you have a very high ticket item like say $2,000 set of golf clubs, you're gonna have a lot more natural virality because the product is so valuable. Same thing as giving away say a Tesla or a luxury car. You're gonna have a lot more virality with this. So if you have a smaller product, say a phone case, it might be a little bit harder to do a giveaway in that sense, but you can still people can still enter to win, and maybe you give away something that ties into your product that they actually want, like say a nice pair of headphones, portable charger, extra charging cables. Really bundle it and give that away for free. So this will be your lead generation that you can capture emails and remarket. And what this will do is allow you to follow up with everyone who entered your giveaway with either a runner-up gift code, maybe a exclusive look at a product. Who knows? Maybe if they want that first access to whatever it is that you're selling, they have to enter to win. And part of that runner-up prize pack is that they actually get to exclusive access to purchase earlier. The second thing that you can do to do a giveaway is actually give away the product. And we've had a lot of success with this at Treats Happen, where when we launched our new products, the Mighties and Minis, we gave away a bag of each for free. Now the reason that this works, your cost of goods sold as part of your marketing budget is so low compared to giving out a discount, where for us, let's say it was a $10 gift card or a 20% off coupon, our lost revenue from that discount is actually more than the cost of those products. So it's a great way to get your existing customers to try your new products. It could be a loyalty giveaway. So hey, thanks so much for being a long-time customer. We've launched these new products. We want to give you a couple. In this case, what we did was we had an upsell offer to get an exclusive bundle if you took it, but also we asked that you cover the shipping and handling. And what this did was it had people have a little bit of skin in the game, so people didn't really take advantage of it. Now, some people will complain and say that, oh, but I don't want to pay the shipping and handling. It's a scam, whatever. And that's okay, because you have to take the bad with the good. So don't worry about those detractors and haters, and really focus on the people who are excited. It's a great way to trial your product, but also find people who are comfortable giving their information online. The other good thing with this is that it will really tell your ad efficiency of which products are most popular, which ones are people going for, and that'll allow you to plan your inventory down the road. It'll also help you identify which creative works and your copy as well. Another benefit to giving away your product for free is you're much more likely to get a referral from a customer. People aren't going to refer people to a product that they haven't purchased themselves. Well, they might, but it's a lot more likely to refer a product that they've actually purchased themselves. And you'll get reviews and lifestyle photos that you can use on your website with permission, of course. And maybe you do that as part of your copy. Say, hey, we're launching our new product. We're going to give away 100 units. All that we ask in return is you send us a couple photos and maybe tag a friend in this Instagram post. And you do that as part of your post-purchase follow-up, which is why it's so important. If you saw in my best ecom tip videos, what Clavio said, to really segment your audience. So you might have an audience segmented in people who have participated in the giveaway, and then you send a follow-up email to those people and say, hey, make sure you tag a friend in this post, or drop a photo in here that we can use, or hey, did you take that photo? Just reply to this email, upload your photos, and then we'll give you $20 off or 20% off your next purchase. So again, you can really use giving away products to get your customers into your lifetime customer cycle. And the third way to give away products, which I'm seeing a lot more, is actually applying to be an influencer or a brand ambassador. Now, the great thing about this is that it will really have people feel a lot closer to your brand and feel like they're part of it. You can get feedback, and it's also a great form of lead generation. So in this case, depending on the size of their audience and their influence, maybe you give them a big suite of products, maybe you give them some gear. I'm wearing this Annapolis Valley cider hat. I actually purchased this, but maybe you give your ambassador something like that depending on their audience. Or if they're smaller and they just want to be involved, maybe you give them those 2 bags free, or you give them your influencer starter kit, which is $150 worth of product for, say, $40. So again, people have some skin in the game, so that they're not just taking advantage of your promotion, but then they're also helping promote your brand as well. And if you're going to do this, really make sure that you have your processes in place of what you're expecting from your brand ambassadors and what you're doing from them. Because a lot of people will try to do this just for free product. And if you are getting requests on social media, say, hey, can I be a brand ambassador? Can I help you out? Then you can always refer them to this page to see if they're serious or they're just asking for free products. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more tips like this. If you found this valuable, if you've done this, let me know in the comments below. Maybe tag a friend. I'm not giving away anything for free. I don't know what I could give away for free. Maybe I should do a subscriber giveaway. Give away some books or something. If you have any ideas of stuff that you'd like, let me know in the comments below, and make sure to give a big thumbs up to this video. Cheers.